I'll be back to learn Photoshop in a year, day 231. Let me show you the Torn Edges photo filter. You'll find it under Filter, Filter Gallery. It should be in the folder for sketches. But if you can't find it, use the drop down where it's alphabetically sorted. You have 3 ways to adjust it. First, check your contrast. For most images, you want to keep it somewhat in center. I go to around 16, 17. And then the image balance, if it's too extreme, you're going to have a fully white or fully black result. Where you have to go to get decent results, depends a little bit on your image. Let me go to around 20. And then smoothness, if I zoom in, you can see it blurs it out a little bit. So this controls how ragged or clean your edges are going to look. If you want to have most of the details preserved, just crank it up fully. And then you can even readjust the image balance a little bit. But you can see, if you go too far in one direction, you're going to have too many areas colored white or black. So for the most part, you want to stay around 20. And this is how you can use the Torn Edges photo filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.